Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making black pepper chicken. This is an easy black pepper chicken with juicy tender chicken, crispy vegetables, and rich savory black pepper sauce. For our ingredients for our marinade, we have light soy sauce, dry sherry, or I'm gonna put the name across the screen, and we have cornstarch. Now what you want to do, you want to combine your wine or your dry sherry, your soy sauce, and your cornstarch in a medium bowl, and you want to gently mix by hand until your chicken is coated with a thin layer of the mixture. You want to marinate this for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now we're going to move on to our sauce and our stir fry. And our ingredients is chicken broth, light soy sauce, dry sherry, dark soy sauce, cornstarch, sugar, black pepper, and salt. And for our stir fry, we have minced garlic, minced ginger, onion, and bell peppers. I use mixed color. Now we're going to move on to making our sauce. We have our chicken broth already in our measuring cup. We're going to add our sugar, our salt, our light soy sauce, our wine, our dark soy sauce, black pepper, and your cornstarch. You want to mix well and set aside. Next, we're going to heat a tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over medium heat until hot. We're going to add our chicken immediately, and we're going to spread the chicken into a thin layer using a spatula with as little overlap as possible. We're going to stir for 30 seconds or until the bottom is lightly brown. You want to flip the chicken and cook for at least 15 to 20 seconds. You want to stir occasionally until both sides are brown, but still a bit pink inside. We're going to transfer our chicken to a plate and set that aside. Next, we're going to move on to our stir fry. You want to add the remaining tablespoon of oil to your skillet, and we're going to add the ginger and the garlic. You want to give it a quick stir until fragrant. Next, we're going to add in our white onion and our peppers, and we're going to stir and cook for at least 20 seconds. Now, I made this dish when I first started my channel. If you'd like to see the progress and the things that have changed, I'll link it up below. But go back and watch how I cooked it then to how I cook it now. And if you like either way, you can combine them. But this is just a dish that my family loves. I love black pepper chicken. It's not my first time. It's not my second time or not my third time. It's something that I keep and rotate. And it's a delicious dish over anything. Mashed potatoes, rice. It's just so yummy. And it's not too much pepper, but you do taste the pepper. It's just right. So let's finish cooking. Next, you want to stir in your sauce mixture until your cornstarch is dissolved completely. We're going to pour into the skillet. We're going to stir with a spatula immediately and cook until the sauce has thickened enough to coat the back of our spoon. And that takes about a few seconds. Now we're going to add back our cooked chicken. And you want to quickly stir a few times to coat everything with the sauce. We're going to turn our heat off and remove the skillet from the stove. You want to immediately transfer everything to a big plate so that the ingredients will not keep cooking in a hot skillet. You want to serve hot as a main dish. Today we made black pepper chicken. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.